dark side of artificial intelligence, what they don't want you to know. What if I told you that the same technology we use every day to make life easier could one day control it? AI is learning faster than ever. It studies your clicks, your habits, your voice, your face, and even your emotions. But behind all the innovation there is something darker, something we might not be ready to face. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment below what you think about AI's future. I want to hear your opinion because this conversation affects all of us, no matter who you are, where you live, or what you believe. Artificial intelligence promises progress, smarter tools, faster results, creative breakthroughs, maybe even cures for deadly diseases. But what is the real price we are paying for this convenience? In this video we will go deep into the hidden dangers of AI. We will explore how it is changing your brain, how it is shaping your behavior, and how it might slowly take control of society in ways you never imagined. Let us start with something simple: attention. Every time you let AI think for you, finish your sentence, or generate an idea, you are outsourcing a small part of your creativity, and it feels good, right? AI gives quick answers, saves time, and helps you create amazing things, but there is a hidden cost. Humans are slowly forgetting how to focus, how to be patient, how to think deeply. When everything is one click away, we stop developing our own ideas. We become dependent on suggestion and automation. Our attention span shrinks, our curiosity fades, and our skills weaken. It is like using a GPS every day. After a while you forget how to navigate on your own. The truth is, AI does not just learn from us, it replaces the need for us to learn. Imagine a generation that grows up never needing to solve problems on their own. What happens to human creativity? What happens to critical thinking? When machines do the work, the human mind gets lazy, and that is exactly how control begins, not through force but through convenience. Now let us talk about data. Every photo you post, every word you type, every voice command you give, all of it is stored, analyzed, and used to train AI. You are giving away personal information every single day, often without realizing it. It is not just your face, it is your emotions, your habits, your fears, your desires. Billions of people are feeding the system right now. Their data is used to make AI smarter, but also to make companies richer and governments more powerful. This information can be used to influence what you buy, what you think, even what you believe. And once your data is in the system, it never really leaves. It becomes part of a massive network that can predict your actions and reactions. The more AI knows about you, the easier it is to manipulate you silently and visibly. Governments see AI not just as technology but as a tool for power. Imagine a world where your digital profile decides your opportunities, your credit score, even your freedom. We have already seen systems that track social behavior, scoring citizens based on their actions. What starts as data collection can evolve into digital control. And it does not stop there. Behind the friendly AI assistants and chatbots might be something bigger, a silent infrastructure of surveillance. Every camera, every smart device, every piece of connected technology could be part of a data web. Everything has a price, and the people behind these systems are not building them just for fun, they are building for long-term influence. Now let us move into something even more disturbing: deepfakes and digital deception. We have reached a point where AI can generate videos and voices so realistic that it is nearly impossible to tell what is real and what is fake. You can make a politician say anything, you can fake an apology, a crime, or an entire news event. Imagine the chaos that could come from millions of fake videos spreading online, destroying reputations, changing elections, or even starting conflicts. The line between truth and illusion is disappearing, and when people cannot trust what they see or hear, reality itself becomes unstable. The danger is not just about fake videos, it is about losing trust in truth itself. Now think long-term. What will the next 10 or 20 years look like? AI is already writing news articles, diagnosing patients, designing buildings, creating art, composing music, and even generating human-like faces that do not exist. What happens when it starts making decisions for us about who gets hired, who gets a loan, or who deserves medical care? These systems are trained on data, and that data can include human bias, discrimination, or even political agendas. AI does not think in morals, it thinks in patterns. That means if the data is biased, the system will be too. Imagine a future where invisible algorithms decide your fate without you even realizing it. And while all this is happening, we are becoming more passive. Many people have stopped developing their own skills. They rely on AI to write, draw, or even think for them. We are forgetting what it means to struggle, to learn, to grow through effort. This is dangerous because creativity, intelligence, and progress come from human effort. Without that, we risk turning into consumers of machine-made ideas. A society that forgets how to create is a society that can be easily controlled. But here is the bigger question: who controls AI itself? the more advanced these systems get, the fewer people actually understand how they work. They are black boxes making decisions based on billions of data points. Even their creators do not always know why they do what they do. That is a problem, because if we cannot explain or control it, how can we trust it? And then there is the government aspect. We like to believe that AI development is just about innovation, but power always hides behind progress. Imagine governments using AI to monitor citizens, track dissent, or manipulate information. It would not be the first time technology was used for control instead of freedom. Every piece of tech that connects us can also be used to watch us. The same systems that predict what you will buy can predict what you will believe. The same algorithms that recommend videos can also filter what information you see, shaping your perception of reality. So when people say AI is neutral, that is a lie. AI reflects the intentions of whoever controls it, and not everyone with power has good intentions. Now let us talk about the economy and the job market. Millions of jobs will disappear as automation grows. AI does not need sleep, salary, or social rights. It just works fast, efficient, replacing humans in factories, offices, call centers, even in creative fields. But the scary part is not just losing jobs, it is losing purpose. When people feel unnecessary, they lose motivation, and when a population feels powerless, it becomes easy to control. So what can we do? First, we need awareness. Do not blindly accept every new tool that saves time. Ask questions: who built it? What data does it use? What is the goal behind it? Second, keep your human skills alive. Learn, create, practice, focus, build things without relying on automation. The future will belong to those who remember how to think independently. Third, protect your data. Be careful what you share, where you share it, and who you trust. Your information is more valuable than you realize. And finally, do not be afraid of AI, but respect it. It is not a toy, it is not magic, it is a reflection of us, our intelligence, our greed, our creativity, and our flaws. The dark side of AI is not the machines, it is what humans might do with them. So here is the real question: will we control AI, or will AI control us?